I am going to try and word this again. I don't know why, well, I do know why American people aren't understanding this. There is a side to pick. And in picking that side, you pick unity consciousness. It is not in the act of not picking sides that you are now in unity consciousness. That means you are complicit in genocidal abuse. Not picking sides means you are complicit with the abuser. You are not in unity consciousness, you are in dissociation. Do you understand? You might not get it because you're America, so that means you're Rome. You're the empire. And the UK, US, Zionist Israeli regime is the cabal. You know the cabal all you spiritual people talk about, and the child sacrifices and all the things they do? That's them. The Israeli regime, the Zionist regime, is the fucking cabal. So all these spiritual people in the States saying, I'm not picking sides, you are siding with the cabal. That is the fucking cabal. Don't you get it? How do you not see this? It's because you've grown up with the privilege of Rome. You're out there sipping on your freaking Zionist-owned Starbucks frappe, wearing Kim Kardashian Zionist-owned Skims, telling us all not to pick sides. Because you're in unity consciousness. No, motherfucker. No. Unity consciousness is picking sides with the indigenous people of the earth. Do you know that when the state of Israel arrived in Palestine in 1948, it began with something called the Nakba, a motherfucking genocide. 1948, they started the apartheid state of Israel. Same year, they founded the apartheid state in South Africa, 1948. Same year, 1947-48, the British American Zionist regime put the partition in between Pakistan and Kashmir. Do you know what's happening in Pakistan right now? Imran Khan, the elected leader, he was taken by the military on false claims. He's been in prison since August this year. They put in some stand-in freaking Zionist puppet leader, and they're about to evict over 1 million Afghan refugees. That's what's happening right now. The Zionist UK-US regime is doing that. Right now, there is a freaking genocide happening in the Congo and the Sudan for their mineral resources. Do you know who's doing that? The Zionist UK-US regime. Right now, there is a genocide happening of Palestinians in Israel. Their fucking land. Their fucking land. Do you know who's doing that? The UK-US Zionist regime. The same regime that in 1917 took hold of the mines in South Africa, my country. They own the gold and the diamonds. Same year in 1917, the Balfour Declaration was signed for Lord Rothschild. Lord Rothschild, who runs the Fed in the US, your little frickin' Rome, is the same person behind Zionism. Your US state, the UK state, and Zionism are one cabal fucking entity. And they are busy genociding Palestinians because they need Gaza for their mineral resources. They need it for money. So, I don't know, before you understood when the media was saying one thing, that you were not to trust them, but now your media is totally on all sides supporting Israel. Who owns the media? The Zionists. Have you seen one video of bodies, babies, dead under rubble because of Hamas? No, you haven't. The only thing you've seen, if you've dared to fucking look, if you've dared to step out of your dissociation, which you like to call unity consciousness, is the bodies of Palestinians, the bodies of Congolese, the bodies of the Sudanese, the fear in the eyes of 1 million Afghans who are about to be evicted from their homes because their elected leader was put in prison by the military funded by the fucking Zionists. So you're not in unity consciousness. You're not. Sorry, surprise. You're complicit in abuse. Just realize that. Just realize that while you're sipping on your little frappe wearing Skims. Okay? You're not freaking in unity consciousness. You are the fucking problem. You.